Hello, today I wanted to show you how install new LED tail light for Camaro 2018 ZL1 1LE. This is very unique and so gorgeous tail light. This is the instruction. You need the tools. Let's see how it does. So beautiful. Rear view light LED, two-line LED. Beautiful. Okay, let's start to install these. This is black taillight for ZL1 1LE 2018 model. I just wanted to swap the new generation taillight, fully LED. Just a little bit tight. Yeah. Probably this one is better than plastic. Let's see. Usually it's very easy, but I'm really surprised. But it's very tight. Okay. What is this? Okay, this is the old one, but just remember, this socket is very hard to pull out. Just remember, you have to try in a few minutes. The connection, I mean. This is the factory one. Okay. I'm gonna install the new generation LED light. Let's see. Okay, this is for the driver's side. This is for passenger side. Okay. Yes. Okay. I want to compare between both of them. This is the factory one, the top one, the bottom one, new generation LED. Do you see how beautiful? Amazing. Two brake line here, two brake line at this section. Amazing, gorgeous. Okay. First, you have connect this. After that, you have to lock. Okay, red button, push it. All done. And this is so important. You have to install this. Perfect. If not, you make the damage to the tail light. Just remember. Okay, now we are gonna install this. Two screws in the left side, one screw in the right side. Do you see that? Fortunately, it doesn't have more screws, only 3. Perfect match. It's not everything is perfect. Okay, now we're gonna put back the screws. This is the best tool for here. Because I didn't have that tool, I'll show you in the beginning. That's why I'm working with this. 1, 2, okay. Actually, my tail light was black, it was nice, but just the backup LED, it didn't beautiful, that's why I replaced the whole thing. But this is so unique, new generation LED. If you like to order, just let me know. We are gonna ship you. Okay. Just be patient, because the process may takes 1 or 2 hours. Okay. Perfect. Now the last one. Okay, let's see how it does the right what do you say? Hazard. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the hazard. Okay, let's see how it does. Okay, this is the red. Okay, but you have 2 options in there. You have the bottom for functionality. This I'm gonna change. Oh, beautiful. This is different one. Do you see that? You can do this effect. I'm gonna change. Do you see that? Amazing, amazing. I never seen like this. I'm gonna change. This is nice, but I prefer this one. Amazing, beautiful. I hope you enjoy this tail light. This is the old one. This is the old. Do you see? Very bad. This is the fancy one.